Legacy for me, coming in with a 100-year anniversary, is all about the people that work here. I started in 1998. There were 65 people working for MTI, and we had one facility. Now we're in 4 countries, and we have 250 people. So what we need to do for the future is very different now than what we did when I took over the operations in 2002. How we protect the workforce, how we think about the workforce, how we build for the future with respect to the workforce, all the technologies that we have. There's a lot more moving parts to the business that we have to account for with respect to legacy.
To me, I feel a great first sense of gratitude for all the work and all the people that have come before me and the 4 generations that have laid a foundation that we get the opportunity to step into. And then I think I feel a responsibility as myself to come to work every day and hope to continue to play a small part in moving that forward. And I'd love to be sitting here with the opportunity to present that same role to a 6th generation.